Good day everyone, you're watching RayTube. On today's video, it's going to be a quick fix on how to eliminate the error message which says there's a problem with the clipboard, but you can still paste your content within this workbook. This message would pop up, but you can still copy and paste the content when you click on OK. But at times um, it is annoying to get this error message and click on OK always. Now, this particular error message is enabled based on the by the Microsoft based on the user experience to prevent it popping up multiple successive times when the clipboard is locked. Now, you can go ahead and eliminate this error message. There's a simple steps which you need to follow. Once you have the Excel open, you will have to click on the file at the top left corner of your screen. Click on options. Under options, you will have to go to the general tab. Now under the general tab, there's an option which says enable live view. You will have to go ahead and uncheck this box. Now if you go ahead and uncheck this box, it will not show you a preview of the features by hovering the document. For example, if I hover my mouse here when this box is checkbox, on this particular checkbox, it will not show this particular preview. So the live preview will be disabled. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this box to eliminate this error message. Now you can go ahead and copy and paste the content within the workbook. You should not be getting this error message. So I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment about this video so that we have the comment section open for the discussion based on the different issues what you're facing within the Office application and also within the Windows application. Now this channel is mainly is created in the purpose of helping the users who are facing a computer problem without spending money on the support. I thank you for watching. You have a great day.